In the last video, we learned how to introduce ourselves in English, Spanish, and French. Today, we're going one step further. You'll learn essential greetings and daily phrases that will help you sound natural and polite in real conversations. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to greet people, ask how they're doing, and say goodbye in all three languages. Let's get started. Lesson 1. English greetings and phrases. Phrase 1. Good morning. Say this when greeting someone in the morning. Example. Good morning. How are you today? Phrase 2. How are you? This is a polite question you ask after greeting. Example. Hello, Sarah. How are you? Phrase 3. I'm fine, thank you. This is a simple and polite response. Example. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Phrase 4. Goodbye. A common way to say farewell. Example. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Practice time. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Goodbye. Lesson 2. Spanish greetings and phrases. Phrase 1. Buenos días. This means good morning. Example. Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Phrase 2. ¿Cómo estás? This is how are you? Informal. Example. Hola, Juan. ¿Cómo estás? Phrase 3. Estoy bien. Gracias. This is I'm fine, thank you. Example. Estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Phrase 4. Adiós. This means goodbye. Example. Adiós. Nos vemos mañana. Practice time. Repeat after me. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? Estoy bien, gracias. Adiós. Lesson 3. French greetings and phrases. Phrase 1. Bonjour. This means good morning or hello. Example. Bonjour, Marie. Phrase 2. Comment ça va? This means how are you? Informal. Example. Salut, Paul. Comment ça va? Phrase 3. Ça va bien? Merci. This means I'm fine, thank you. Example. Ça va bien, merci. Et toi? Phrase 4. Au revoir. This means goodbye. Example. Au revoir, à demain. Practice time. Repeat after me. Bonjour. Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Au revoir. Recap and quick dialogue practice. Let's do a quick recap and short dialogues in each language. In English, good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Goodbye. In Spanish, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien, gracias. Adiós. In French, bonjour. Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Au revoir. Great job practicing. You've just learned how to greet people, ask how they're doing, and say goodbye in English, Spanish, and French. Practice these every day. Repetition is the key to remembering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who also want to learn languages. And let me know in the comments, which language should I add next? Maybe German, Italian, Japanese? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.